Hey guys, it's AchillesGaming, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a gaming PC on a budget. So first what you want to do is you want to go to pcpartpicker.com, and then you want to go over here to start a system build. Okay, and then first what we're going to do is we're going to choose the CPU. The one you want to choose is Intel Core i3-6100. Go ahead and add it here. Next what you want to do is you want to go to choose a motherboard. We can come back to CPU cooler later. Then what you want to click on is ASRock H110M DGS. Go over here and click add. Next you want to choose the memory. So come over here and click 8 gigabytes 2x4. Then the first one up here, Kingston HyperX Fury Black. Add. Next we have the choose storage. Go ahead and pick the first one. It doesn't really matter too much, just make sure that your price is lower and you get at least 1 terabyte, because if you're playing games you're going to be using a lot of space, so go ahead and click add. Now a video card, you're going to have to choose something that's a little bit lower because you're not going to be able to have enough money for everything else because video cards are very expensive. So you need to scroll down and you need to click GeForce GTX 950. And then up here you can click the first one. This has a lot of good ratings, so I would advise clicking this one. And then choosing a case. Now a case does not matter too much, you just need to make sure that it's big enough for everything to fit into. So down here there's one for $21.98. It has a couple good reviews, 3.5 stars, so go ahead and click this one. Next you have the power supply. Now to pick the power supply, which one do we want to pick? It doesn't matter too much, just make sure you have enough wattage to supply enough wattage to everything, and it should say whenever you click add here, so whenever you click add it should say compatibility check, and if it has a check mark, no issues, incompatibilities found, then that means that you're fine. So then next you don't need an optical drive. That's your choice, but this will not be in the build, so it will be extra. Now the first one here on the operating system, the first one, Windows 10 Home, add. It is the cheapest one there, so it'd be best to click that one. And then you want to go back up to your choose a CPU cooler. Here you can pick whichever one you want, just make sure that it's compatible with the rest of the computer parts. So click this one's cheaper, so you can click add. And it says right here, compatibility check, no issues, incompatibilities found. Now all this came out to $530.77. This also has all of the $10 in mail-in rebates. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I love you, baby.